It breaks down the concepts step by step, so a new trader can easily understand the mechanics and psychology behind the pattern. The video, titled Master the Bearish Flag Pattern in 5 Minutes, Forex for Beginners, begins with the host on screen before transitioning to the provided chart. The host asks the audience if they have ever watched a currency pair drop like a rock, thought they missed the move, and wondered if it was too late to enter. Today, the host explains, they will cover exactly how to handle that situation using one of the most reliable continuation patterns in Forex, the Bearish Flag Pattern. By the end of the video, viewers will know exactly how to spot this pattern, what it means, and crucially, where to enter their trade. The host then prompts the viewers to jump into the chart. Understanding the setup and the flagpole. Providing a voiceover while showing the screen, the host begins breaking down the setup. The chart displays the EUR-USD, Euro versus US dollar. Viewers are looking at a 1-hour chart, meaning every single red and green candle represents 1 hour of trading time. Right in the middle is a textbook bearish flag, and the host notes that a bearish pattern simply means the expectation is for the price to go down. This pattern forms in 4 distinct steps, which the host begins to break down. Highlighting Step 1, the host directs attention to circle number 1, the strong downtrend, also known as the flagpole. The massive red candles dropping sharply indicate aggressive selling pressure. The sellers are in complete control, and the price is plummeting. The host cautions that you never want to jump in right in the middle of this drop because you do not know where the bottom is. Instead, you wait for the market to take a breath. The flag, consolidation phase. Highlighting steps 2 and 3, the host explains the flag, or consolidation phase. That breath the market takes is the flag itself. After a huge drop, some sellers take their profits, and some buyers step in thinking the asset is cheap. This causes the price to slowly drift upwards in a tight channel. The host points to circle number 2, the flag support, noting that this bottom blue line is the floor. Every time the price hits it, it bounces up slightly. Next, looking at circle number 3, the flag resistance, the host explains that this top blue line is the ceiling. Every time the price hits it, sellers push it back down. This upward sloping channel is the actual flag, and even though the price is moving up, the volume is usually lower. It is a temporary pause, like a rest stop on a highway, before the downward journey continues. The breakout and risk management. For step 4, the host highlights circle number 4, the bearish breakout, calling it the most important part. The moment the price breaks below that bottom support line, the floor, the resting period is over. The sellers have overwhelmed the buyers again, making this breakout your entry point. This is where you execute a sell or short trade, betting that the original downtrend from step 1 is about to resume. Transitioning back on camera for risk management and the outro, the host reminds viewers that while trading a bearish flag is powerful, no pattern is 100% guaranteed. If you take this trade at the breakout, you must protect your account. A common strategy is to place your stop loss just above the top of the flag at the resistance line. That way, if the price fakes you out and shoots upward, you only lose a small, controlled amount. For your take profit, a standard rule is to measure the height of the original flagpole in step 1 and project that same distance downward from your entry point. The host concludes by asking viewers to hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Forex strategies, and comment on what pattern they want to see next if they found the breakdown helpful. Signing off, the host tells viewers to trade safely and that they will see them in the next video. The script finishes by asking if there are any specific questions about where to place stop losses or take profits when trading this pattern. This chart illustrates a textbook Confluence strategy in technical analysis, highlighting a high-probability buy signal on the EUR-USD 4-hour 4H timeframe. In trading, Confluence occurs when multiple independent indicators or patterns align to suggest the exact same market movement. In this case, a shift from a downtrend to an uptrend. The setup is validated by a breakdown of 3 specific signals working together to confirm the trade. Relying on just one of these signals can often lead to fakeouts or false signals. Because of this, traders look for the simultaneous alignment of all three elements to validate the entry. Price action, Morning Star reversal pattern. The first signal comes from the price action displayed using candlesticks in the main chart at the top. Inside the central highlighted circle, a classic three-candle bullish reversal pattern, known as a morning star, has formed at the bottom of the downtrend. This pattern signals an immediate buyer takeover at a swing low. It begins with a large bearish red candle, showing that sellers were initially in full control. This is followed by a small-bodied candle, or doji, that gaps or drops lower, representing indecision in the market and a halt in selling momentum. Finally, a large bullish green candle pushes back up and closes well into the body of the first red candle. This final candle confirms that buyers have aggressively taken control of the market. Indicator 1. Bullish EMA crossover. The second signal is found in the middle panel, which displays two exponential moving averages, EMAs, that smooth out price data to identify the direction of the trend. The blue line represents the faster-moving 9 EMA, while the orange line is the slower-moving 21 EMA. A green arrow on the chart highlights the exact moment the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA. This bullish crossover provides confirmation that the trend is shifting upwards. It is a lagging but reliable indicator that short-term momentum has officially shifted upward. Indicator 2. RSI 14. Oversold reversal and conclusion. The final signal is located in the bottom panel, showing the relative strength index, RSI, using a standard 14-period lookback. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. A green horizontal line marks the 30 level. When the purple RSI line dips below this 30 mark, the asset is considered oversold, suggesting the downtrend may be exhausted and due for a bounce. The chart highlights the RSI dipping into this oversold territory and sharply reversing back upward, crossing above the 30 line. This reversal indicates that the price is recovering from an exhausted, oversold state and signals returning bullish momentum. When the candlestick pattern, the trend indicator, and the momentum oscillator all agree, as summarized in the gold box on the right, technical traders interpret it as a highly confirmed opportunity to execute a long buy position. A vital visual guide to understanding the risk-to-reward, RR ratio, a foundational concept for survival and profitability in the markets. On the left, Scenario A demonstrates a basic 1.1 RR setup. In this scenario, the distance from the entry price down to the stop-loss zone, your risk, is exactly equal to the distance up to the take-profit zone, your target. Specifically, the trader is risking 1% of their capital, or 10 pips, to potentially gain 1%, or plus 110 pips. The calculation at the bottom confirms this means 1 unit of risk equals exactly 1 unit of reward. On the right, Scenario B illustrates a highly favorable 1.3 RR setup, which is a prime example of an asymmetric risk profile. While the risk on the trade remains identical at 1%, or 10 pips, the target reward is extended to 3%, or plus 130 pips. Visually, you can see that the take-profit zone is 3 times larger than the stop-loss zone. This allows a trader to make 3 units of reward for every 1 unit of risk undertaken, meaning you could lose multiple trades and still be profitable with just 1 win. At the bottom, the cheat sheet outlines 3 key principles for strict trade management. First, you must always define your risk, stop loss, before entering a trade to protect your capital. Second, you should aim for asymmetric risk-to-reward ratios, like 1:2 or higher, because this mathematical advantage is what drives long-term profitability. Finally, maintaining a consistent RR approach is essential for managing account drawdowns and standardizing your position. Sizing. To truly grasp how adjusting your stop-loss and take-profit targets shifts the mathematical balance of your trades, you can use the interactive visualizer below to explore different risk-to-reward parameters. specifically focusing on market structure and strategy during a Forex uptrend. The foundation of this upward movement is characterized by the price consistently forming higher highs, HH, and higher lows, HL, which are visually supported by an upward-sloping blue trend line. As the trend progresses, the chart highlights multiple instances of a BOS, or break of structure. A BOS occurs when the price successfully pushes past a previous higher high, confirming that the buyers remain in control and that the overall upward trajectory is continuing. Woven into this trending structure are specific zones and behavioral concepts that traders use to pinpoint high-probability setups. The chart displays blue demand zones, which act as key support levels where buying interest is strong, and a purple supply zone at the top, representing key resistance where sellers are expected to step in. A critical trading sequence unfolds on the right side of the chart. A choch, change of character, signals a temporary shift in short-term momentum, leading into a downward liquidity run. This run intentionally dips below a recognized support area to trigger retail stop losses and collect accumulated liquidity before abruptly reversing back upward. Immediately following this liquidity grab and a tap into the lower demand zone, an entry trigger emerges via a bullish candlestick. This presents a strategic opportunity for traders to execute a buy position with the intention of riding the price back up to the supply zone.